So friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well and following this tutorials about the admin. So in the last video we saw how to add a subcategory inside a category. In this video we will see how to hide a category so that it is not visible to the students. So for that we will click site administration in the administration box. Click site administration, click courses. You will see manage courses and categories. Here you can see categories, miscellaneous, motorcycle world, Asia. Now suppose if you want to hide a particular category or a subcategory from the students, then you have to click this eye icon. If you notice carefully, there is an eye icon besides the gear icon. So you have to click this eye icon. You will see that it has a blocked mark now, so that eye is blocked, and you can see this Asia subcategory is grayed out. That means this subcategory is hidden from the students. So categories may be easily hidden or shown via administration site administration courses inside the manage courses, and by clicking this eye icon the category you wish to hide will be hidden. Hidden categories are only visible to site administration or those with the capability to view hidden courses. So we'll see about view hidden courses in later upcoming videos. So this is how you hide a category or a subcategory. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, then please do, and like this video, share, comment with your friends. Thanks a lot.